Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. So Melody Susie was kind enough to send over to me a nail box. So if you're unawares, the Melody Susies, they have started doing a monthly box, but it's called a nail accessory box. So you're not going to get any polish in this box. It's going to be just that, nail accessories. Let me zoom out as much as I can because this box quite deep, and freaking cute. Of course, it's branded in Melody Susie's beautiful little pink packaging. You will open, oh, hang on the backs here. This is where you can find the old Melody Susie's, all of their social, their website, that type of a thing. It's so stinking cute. Love this box. So we're just gonna open it. Oh, I see things. I see things. Oh, okay. Little pink papers. Let me move y'all up. There's a lot of stuff in here, or the box is quite deep. So this is just pink paper. It's not that, plasticky, Easter eggy type stuff. It's just pink. Looks like pink shredded tissue, little tissue paper. So please, recycle. Do all that you can. Oh, what is in here? Okay, so I did do just a tiny bit of research. Every box is going to be different, or at least from month to month. I don't know if every single person's box is going to be different, but what I'm about to show you in this box right here, you may not necessarily get in the box that you order. All right, y'all. So the photos that they have on the website for this particular product, I feel as though they've thrown in a ton of products that could possibly be featured in a box, but you're not going to get all this stuff in one monthly box for 49 dull hairs. And I also have a discount code for 12% off for Melody Susie. It's Tara12. Y'all can follow that link down in the description box below. I don't believe it's good on monthly subscription boxes like this. However, I recently purchased the Black Jade e-file. Freaking love it. It was on sale, and it's on sale right now as we speak for $99. When I picked it up, it was the same price, and I was able to use the discount code. So if you've been eyeballing the Black Jade or any of the Jades or any of the e-files, go ahead and follow the link in the description box and use code TERRA12. Pick it up now because I don't know how much longer it's going to be on sale. So thank you guys so much. So now let's dive on into all my little nail accessory goodies. Right on top are some acrylic nail clippers. Don't let that fool you. You can use this to just clip off your plastic or your soft gel tips as well. The thing that I love about this, because I have a set of clippers like this and it has a little guard so you're not, shooting shrapnel, across the room. But mine does not have this thing right here, which will attach to this. And I'm not going to open it up just yet, but this will attach up here, somewhere up here. And you can basically standardize and sort of make sure that each little clip that you make, you basically clip all of your nails down to the same length. I do enjoy that. What I would like to do with this box is sort of make like a running tally, or at least at the very end, give y'all a tally of all of the prices of all the products in this box, so that if you decide that you would like to subscribe to the monthly accessories box, you're not paying more than what you would be paying if you were purchasing each item individually. So as of right now, the monthly accessories box is 49 dull hairs and 99 cents. So this was on the very top of my box. And oh, by the way, open your new nail art journey. Look how cute this is. I mean, this is like a sturdy, heavy duty box. I am loving this. All right, it looks like we have 3 bits in here. Let me just push this back. So this one, and I'm just going to show you guys. Let's bring y'all back down now that that box is out the way. So here is the number, I guess, the product number of this particular nail drill bit if you would like to look that up. So this one is going to be a tungsten carbide, like a cuticle bit, but I'm pretty sure you can also use this and sort of drill out, you know, a little bit of that excess product so that it's not as super bulky on the underside of your nail. Otherwise, you can use this to do cuticle work, get down into them little sidewalls. I adore Melody Susie's drill bits. They're just phenomenal. That was also in my little box. Our second bit is going to be this one, and here is the product number for this particular bit, which is also a tungsten carbide bit. But I actually own, I think, 2 of these from Melody Susie. This bit is freaking phenomenal for really getting in and up into these up into the cuticle area and really filing off that, you know, dead protein growth, anything on your nail plate right before you go into your application. For me, this bit right here is an absolute must-have. I know it don't look like much. It really does not look like much. But honey, this thing gets the job done. Make sure you keep your e-file on a super low setting, a super low speed. This bit is going to do all the work, and it's tiny and it really gets where you need it to get. Ugh, I love this bit. And then this is our third bit. And here is the product number. This is going to be a super long tapered tungsten carbide bit. Now, if you're an acrylics type of person and you're doing really, really long extensions on someone, this is going to be perfect. But even if you're not one of those, even if you're not a nail tech and you're not doing, you know, 3-inch acrylic extensions on someone, this bit right here could still cut down on so much of your filing time. I mean, look at this guy. You can do so much amazing. Just whack that stuff off. Look at that. Oh my word. You could fly through your filing with this thing. Oh my goodness. So what else do we have in this box? This is a nail drill bits folding storage bag. All of Melody Susie's Socias are right there. This slides out. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? It's wrapped up in little paper here. Oh my. Okay. Okay. I have seen these in like a faux suede, like I think it is, type of material. I have never seen one that is pink metallic. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is a trifold pink metallic. I'm going to put all my most used drill bits in here. This is going to hold 20 of your most used drill bits. I will pull out all of my most used bits, stick them in here, and then boom, this will just slide right down in the side of my Helmer drawer or just lay flat. So I'm excited for this. Lastly, nail file. What do we have? This does not tell me what is in her, but we are gonna open it up. What do we have? Oh, okay. So we have a buffer, which is a 400 3000. Oh man. Talk about fine, 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 fine. There's that one. This is a 240, which I guess is going to be 240 on both sides because it doesn't tell me any different. We have a 150 file and a 180. Nothing on the back side. So I'm going to guess they are 150 and 180 on both sides. Another, well, this one's a thickums. It's going to be a thickums. This is a 220, 280. And the thing about files and buffers, if you're, you know, brand new, the larger the number, the finer the grit will be. So if you're looking at well, as of right now, 150 is our lowest, our smallest number. That's going to be the most coarse grit. Oh, here's a 100, 180. So one side is going to be 100 grit. One side is going to be 180. The 100 grit is going to be the more coarse of the two. So we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 different files in this sort of assortment box. Thank you, Melody Susie. Loving all of this. All right, so here are all the things that came in my box. Super well packaged, absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love this. This is going to be super, super, super nice for me. I'm going to try to put a sort of a running total up here, or have some sort of total up here that will show y'all what each product would be if you were to purchase them separately. And hopefully that will help you make the choice to go ahead and dive on in and get this nail accessories box, because I do think it is a value. But again, each box is going to be different. Obviously, Melody Susie ain't going to send you the same drill bits, 4, 5, 6 months in a row. So you will be getting different products, and they will be turning stuff over. Actually, I'm not even sure if Terra 12 works on this box. I'll let you know. Otherwise, if you only wanted this, oh, my favorite drill bit. Oh, I just love you so much. If you only wanted this, of course, you can use code Terra12. Pick that up, save 12% off, honey. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Melody Susie, for sending all of these products to me. If you have any questions at all about Melody Susie, you guys, I have been loving their products. They make amazing gel polishes. Of course, I now own the Jade E file. I feel so freaking fancy. I'm really excited to add all of these things to my Melody Susie stash. Literally, I have 0 bad things to say about Melody Susie. I've been a fan of theirs for centuries, and I think that's going to do it. So if you've stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is bit. Keyword is bit. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.